portions of east central Ohio, including the following counties: Monroe and Noble. Portions of West Virginia, including the following counties: Marshall and Wetzel. When? Until 6:15 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 3:49 p.m., emergency management reported heavy rain in the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 1.5 and 2 inches
Bro,
of
are
rain
you
has
serious?
fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include New Martinsville, Woodsfield, Cameron, Dudley, Sardis, Clarington, Summerfield, Louisville, Dexter City, Bly, Antioch, Stafford, Graysville, Harreetsville, Lowndes, Ritter Mills, Hannibal, and Proctor. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is the river report. With a recent and forecast rainfall.
Really now?
Portions of east central Ohio, including the following counties: Monroe and Noble. Portions of West Virginia, including the following counties: Marshall and Wetzel. When? Until 1:45 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 5:54 p.m., gauge reports indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing in the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include New Martinsville, Woodsfield, Caldwell, Cameron, Dudley, Sardis, Clarington, Summerfield, Louisville, Dexter City, Bly, Antioch, Stafford, Graysville, Harreetsville, Lowndes, Ritter Mills, Hannibal, and Proctor. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The current time is Marshall and Wetzel. When? Until 7:30 a.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details: at 1:35 a.m., gauge reports indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include New Martinsville, Woodsfield, Caldwell, Cameron, Dudley, Sardis, Clarington, Summerfield, Louisville, Dexter City, Bly, Antioch, Stafford, Graysville, Harreetsville, Lowndes, Ritter Mills, Hannibal, and Proctor. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. At 1 a.m. at Pittsburgh International Airport, he was
Nah.
Other EAS. This was only a test. From the helicopter, the president hopes that Republicans Cincinnati is breathing city, improving